So we're going to be adding courses today. I just jumped in here. I've logged in as min. I've gone down to the left-hand side, selected courses, and I've ended up here. So we're going to add a course, but there's a couple of things you need to do before you add a course, and you just need to add the criteria of your courses. Or your school or college. You're going to be adding, so we're going to leave courses out of it for the minute, and we're going to leave schedules out of it for the minute, and timetables. But we're going to add categories, subjects, locations, providers, study modes, types, levels, and years. Academic years. We're going to leave out registrations. Optional is topics and optional is zones. All of them are optional. It's just you kind of want to build a story around your course before you actually add the course. I'm just going to do one example and the rest will follow suit. So I'm going to add just a subject. It's really, really simple. Just say add subject, English, and save. That's it. Whenever I go back to add my course, that should be in as a drop down option for subjects. So we're just going to have a jump into add a course. You're adding your course title that's shown on the front end of the website, so that's what your customers will see. Once you've added all your years, they should drop down here. Once you've added your levels, if applicable, they will drop down, and I'm just going to jump down to subjects, and English is the one I added, and it's there at my drop down. So you're just building a story or a background and a criteria to your course. You can add in your summary for the course, the description. You can add the option to publish it now, or you can publish it later. You could add a whole load of subjects or courses, sorry, and publish them at a later date. Show book course, so is it an inquire now course or is it a book now course? Display availability, this is per course or per schedule. Let's say you had two schedules for the same course. You might show it by course because it'll be displayed in one line item. Just like in Ryanair, when they have two flights going to the same location, they show it in one line item and they show the different times that it's on or that it's flying out. Or you might want to show it by schedule. So this is course 1 and the corresponding schedule is course 1. And you might have a course 2, which is the exact same subject, but you want to display it per schedule. And show course description, so you can decide to yes or no. That would correspond with up here with the course description up here, and then you're saving. Just remember, adding a course does not say it's going to display on the front end of your website. You must have a schedule in order connected to the course in order to show on the front end of the website. A course with no schedule will not show on the front end of your website. The next thing I'm just going to show you for adding courses is if you want to add an image to your course. From the drop down, select your image. These images will come from uploading them to media with preset courses, and they will come in your drop down. The last thing I'm going to show you is just adding topics. It's really, really simple. Your topics will come from a drop down when you previously added them here. So it'd just be like adding your subject, you just add your topics, and you want to add topics to a course. That's all that does there.